Welcome to our Meeting Smarts Masterclass. Today, we'll uncover the top tricks to help you shine in meetings, with a special shout out to our friend, Double Z. So whether you're looking to impress your colleagues or just enhance your communication skills, stay tuned for some valuable insights. Come prepared. This means doing your homework before the meeting. Review any documents or materials related to the agenda, so you can actively participate in discussions with relevant insights. Active listening. Active listening involves giving your full attention to the speaker, showing that you are engaged in what they are saying. It includes making eye contact and asking questions when necessary. Ask thoughtful questions. Asking questions that go beyond the surface can demonstrate your critical thinking abilities. These questions should be relevant to the topic at hand and encourage a deeper discussion. Stay calm. Remaining composed under pressure or when addressing difficult topics is a sign of emotional intelligence. It suggests that you can handle challenging situations with grace and intelligence. Use power words. Using impactful words and phrases can enhance your communication. However, it's essential to use them judiciously, so you don't come across as trying too hard or using jargon inappropriately. Take notes. Taking notes during the meeting not only helps you remember key points but also shows that you are actively engaged in the discussion. It also provides you with a reference for follow-up actions. Body language. Your body language can speak volumes. Maintaining good posture, making eye contact, and using appropriate hand gestures can convey confidence and attentiveness. Offer solutions. When a problem is discussed, suggesting potential solutions or alternative approaches showcases your problem-solving skills and proactive attitude. Summarize key points. At the end of the meeting, summarizing the main takeaways demonstrates that you've been actively following the discussion and can distill the most critical information for the benefit of the group. Share personal insights. Sharing personal experiences related to the discussion can humanize you and make you relatable. It also adds depth to your contributions, showing that you have practical knowledge in the area. As we wrap up, we hope you've gained some valuable meeting wisdom and are all set to conquer your next conference room gathering. Double Z and I wish you success and satisfaction in your future meetings. Remember, with a little finesse and a sprinkle of charisma, you can leave a lasting impression. Until next time, keep those ideas flowing.